In today's video, I am taking you through my weekend Ayurvedic face and hair care routine using simple natural ingredients to calm the skin, nourish the hair, and restore balance after a busy week. If you have been craving some me time with a touch of tradition, then this video is for you. So let's begin our weekend ritual. Take some coconut oil, warm it up on a medium flame for 1 minute. Warming the oil enhances its effectiveness. This helps the oil penetrate your scalp better, enhancing its nourishing properties. Section your hair using a wooden comb. Dip a cotton ball into the oil. Apply the oil on the section. Make sure to cover every section of your scalp with the oil. Massage the crown region. To find the crown, first place your thumb at the tip of your nose. Now move your fingers straight up along the center of your face. Once your finger reaches the highest point on the top of your head, you have found your crown. Using your palm, press 5 times. Now using your fingertips to massage the crown area in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now place your index finger between your eyebrows, which is the place where women applies bindi. Gently massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Using index and middle finger, massage the temples in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now place the thumb on the temple and massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Make your palm in a closed lotus position. Using closed lotus position, gently press the front of your scalp using your fingers. Press 5 times. Now using circular motions, massage the scalp. Repeat 5 times. Using index and middle fingers, press the area near the temples and at the end of the eyebrows. Press 5 times. Now massage in circular motion for 5 times. Using your fingers, go from front to back on your scalp. Massage your scalp in circular motions using your finger to finish it off. Wash the aloe vera leaf under running tap water. Slice the leaf into 5 to 8 pieces. Cut the thorns on the both sides. Put them in water for 10 minutes. Take it out and wash it one more time under running tap water. Now scrape the aloe vera gel from it. Add the fresh aloe vera gel to a mixer. Squeeze 1 whole lemon into it. Grind it to make it a paste. Take a cotton pad and dip it into the mask and apply it onto your scalp and hair.
Section your hair and press the cotton pad to release the juice. Aloe vera reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair roots. It relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. It stimulates healthy hair growth. Lemon promotes hair growth and maintains scalp's health. Do this onto your entire scalp and hair. Once done, put a bun. Leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai. Neem powder can be used in various ways in our skincare. They are very effective in removing pimples, dark spots, acne and its marks. They are also used to treat minor infections. First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face and leave it for 20 minutes.
My weekend Ayurvedic ritual for glowing skin and healthy hair is grounding, simple and oh so nourishing. You can try these at home and do let me know how it worked for you. And please subscribe to my channel. I can see a lot of people are watching without subscribing to my channel. Subscription is free and does not cost you anything, but it means the world to me. So do subscribe and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from watching this video. Until next time, take care.